Yeah, it's a big old bridge. It's the Natchez Trace Parkway. The timber we're going to be sawing up joins, the land joins it. Getting ready to go do some sawmilling. We come a while back and cut all the timber. Got it ready, and then we're bringing the sawmills back to saw it up. Got some real help this time. Sawing a lot of wide oak posted beams and quarter sawn lumber for flooring. So we got the mill set up now. Both over there. Cutting logs up and feeding the mill. So we're sawing up here. I'm in the skid steer. We got a pile of tree length timber here, and we're sawing it up for logs. We've got to get the sawmill started over there. One mill, and the other mill's back behind that brush pile there. So we're doing pretty good right now. Everything's going good about cutting them up and making some lumber. We got both mills going here. I'm bringing the logs out of the woods and piling them here. I got a low-grade red oak pile there. And then I've got better white oaks right there. I'm autofocus. Then I've got higher grade red oaks right there. I'm trying to help them with the cants as much as I can too. We'll right back over here and show you where I'm getting the logs from. This red oak scaled, I want to say 1,200 feet and 2 logs right here. It's big. I don't know if this video will do it justice. I got to finish getting this other red oak out of here, and then this big red oak here. Then we're carrying it back up to the sawmill.